Okay guys, we are back at High Winds and I have put $50 in this machine. It's a dollar denomination machine. It is called Mama's Millions. So I'm hoping Mama will give me some millions. So we're going to bet $3 a spin, and we're going to do try to double our money or nothing our money. So here we go. These are, I don't know if you can see, yeah, they're based on a bingo game. So you can kind of look up there at the top and see the bingo card. Let's just watch. Come on, Mama, give me something. Done half our money already. Let's get a win. I want to get a red screen is what I want to get. Okay, Mama, give us something. Down to $14. Oh, that should be something. Okay, that was a $45 win. Thank you, Mama. So we're now back to where we started, $50. Try to double our money though, so gotta keep going. Come on, Mama. Oh, it's turned red. So our initial win was $6, and then we won 15 more with the red screen, so we're up $56. Let's keep going. Oh, another 7 would have been awesome. Come on, Mama's Millions. Oh, she wasn't quite on the line there. Come on, Mama's Millions. Back down to half of our money again. Give me one more red screen, Mama. Okay, this is going to be our last spin. Oh, and she turned red. We started with $6 and got 15 more, so we're going to keep going. One more spin left. Okay, that's where we're going to cash out.
Here we are at Luxury Line. We're going to do the Buffalo version. Let's see what we're going to do here. I think I like on this game, let's look at the 5 cent. So the minimum bet on 5 cent is $3.75. Don't know if I want to do that much. I'm going to lower this camera down just a smidge here so we can see my money amounts. Let's look at a 2 cent denomination. The lowest bet on here is $1.50. We'll start with that. We'll start with $1.50 for a little while. We might change it up. I want to do I've got $50 in. I want to do just a double or nothing. Try to get up to $100 or end at 0. So we're going to start with a $1.50 bet. Buffalo games are notoriously difficult to get the bonus on, but they're still fun. So when you get these dollars amounts over here on the final reel, there will either be a star, which will just pay those amounts, or a train, which does a train feature, which hopefully we'll get to see that tonight. The buffaloes are, of course, the highest paying symbol. Okay, so you want 3 of these coins for free games, or on this one you get to choose, you can do the luxury line. So we'll give it some spins here at this bet. Still can't get the train, but we'll see what we can do here. These mountains are wild, and sometimes they have multipliers on them. They always have multipliers on them in the bonus game. Still no luck with the star or the train. 2 coins. That'd be good. There we go. So we got the stars. So it's just going to pay those amounts. And remember, these are double pennies, so it's $4 instead of $2. So that helped us out some. Let's see what we can get here. That would have been nice to have a buffalo with these. So this is a mini. It does a special thing. Okay, so it's going to go up here to this train and give us a chance at winning the mini, which is $20. So it's going to have these train cars come by with random money amounts. And on this, there can be up to 100 train cars. And I think, since I've never actually won it, oh, well, there's a mini. So it can go up to 100 cars, and I think it can do multiple minis. All right, so we got, that's $24 and some change. So we'll go back down here to the bottom. Let's rack up the money there, see what we got. $24.78. All right, so that puts us up to $62.18. So we're not doubled yet, so we're going to just keep going. I think for a little bit we're going to change this to a nickel denomination, and we're going to do that $3.75 bet for a little while. That'd be great. No luck. So on the 5-cent denomination, the mini goes up to $50. Mine are $250. So getting those trains would be awesome. Hopefully get some free games here. I'll have to make a decision on the free games, what I'm going to do if I get those. Yeah, usually since it is a luxury line game, I usually do pick the luxury line option, because why else would we be playing the game? This nickel denomination does not seem to be doing much. $4. Come on, coins. Come on. I guess we'll just play it out at this $3.75. So a couple more spins left. Couple dollars. I don't have enough to do the minimum bet, but I'm going to jump back over to 2 cent. We'll do $1.50 a couple of times. Come on, do it. Okay, that gave us a little bit. A few more spins anyway. We'll just stay at this, $1.50. Come on, do it again. No luck there. Alright, we're coming to the end here. It needs to give us a bit of a reprieve or something. Got one more spin. Here we go. Alright guys, we can't do any more spins at 23 cents, so we're going to move on to the next game.
Okay guys, we've put $50 in this machine. It is Dragon Legends Aqua Gem. And we're going to do the
What do you
Let's
want?
do the 10-cent bet.
It's $2.
It's a $2 bet. So we're gonna do that for a little while and see if we can get any good wins. I think this is similar to the Fireball game where you have to have 4,
Yes.
and then there's also a
There's also free spins.
free spin bonus. So if they come up, I'll show you what they look like. So I think I'm gonna do a double or nothing on this game. So we're either gonna get up down to 0 or up to $100. Here we go. Okay, so that is a multiplier.
Giving more to watch. All 3 of us playing.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, Dragon Legends. Give me a win. Okay, I think, okay, so those circles has a 20 there. I think that's what you want 4 of. And I believe the green, the symbol with the green there in the middle is the bonus symbol. Come on, give us a bonus. Oh, there's 2. Give me 2 more. Oh, I just needed 1 more. Oh, Mom got 2 bonus symbols. 2 more, 2 more. Oh, I got it.
Did you get it?
I did. Oh, he's scary. Oh, this is a pretty screen. So I'm gonna have to move back. All right, here we go. We want some more of these to drop so we can keep getting 3 spins. Hey, Aaron, do you know what that does? That yin yang thing? Okay. Well, that was $8. Okay. So plus 10, so that's plus $1. Oh, okay. I like that. Let's get some more. Okay. No, nothing was green there, so it's not going to do anything there. Okay, so here we go. Give us a big number. Okay, $3. And it reset our spins to, no, I have 1 spin remaining. All right, here we go. Give us some more. I need 1 more to unlock $16. Here's another $1. Nice. Give us something big. $3. Nice. Maybe 1 more down here so I can unlock that $16. Okay, so it's got 2 of them that time. $6. Ooh, they're getting better.
I think those are higher since you got 2.
Okay. Give me something down here. Give me some numbers down here so I can unlock that $16. Last spin. Okay. Let's see what we won. All right, $58. Thank you. Now, we have not doubled, so. Oh, the lady next to me got a bonus. Congratulations. Come on, Mom. Get your bonus. Oh, I didn't get those to put in my pocket. All right, so we're up to $83. Let's not go broke. Let's get another win so I can get up to 100. I guess if it has a blue background, it changes something to multiplier. I guess. Yeah. that was $3. Oh, Granny's getting something. So we're gonna watch her for a minute. $65. Big win, $65. Yay! Catch those coins, Granny, and put them in your pocket. Nice. That's where I needed a multiplier. Come on, give me another bonus. Nice. Okay, so that was a win. Oh, you got it back to back. Nice. Come on, give me 3 of them. I'll get back down to where I started. This double or nothing thing makes me nervous. Aaron's good at it, but it sure does make me nervous. That was a good win, $7.50. Full page of ingots or something. Okay, so there's a multiplier, $3. 2 more. Oh, that's a good multiplier. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, I got it. 10 free games. Okay. I haven't ever, of course this game's new to me, so. All right. Oh, that's all multipliers. Okay, that paid $19.50. Let's get at least $50 so I can get my double. Game 5 of 10. Oh, here comes the dragon. This game is pretty. Okay. Oh, that was $68. Nice. Looks like I've got my double. So nice. Game 9 of 10. One more game, the final game here. All right, $108. Awesome. Look how pretty this game is. Do you want to be on camera? Ma'am? Do you want to be on camera? No. Okay. There's my double, so I'm going to collect and move on to the next machine. Thank you, Dragon Legends Aqua Gem.
Okay, we are here. We're gonna do Moneylink, the Great Immortals. I'm not sure. I think I usually do a nickel denomination, so we're gonna choose that. Yeah, and the bet I like on here is a $2 bet. They have what's called the enhanced Moneylink and regular Moneylink. I usually do the enhanced. So want 4 of those green things in the middle for the free games, or we want, 3 of them, I said 4, sorry. We want 6 of these coins for the hold and spin bonus. All right, here we go. So behind those doors can reveal anything, and on this Moneylink, or on the enhanced Moneylink bet, you can have the coins inside those doors. On the regular Moneylink bet, I don't think you can get the coins. So I started with $50. I'm gonna go ahead and do a double or nothing on this. See how we do with that. We want this screen to vibrate, or shaky like Christine calls it. That means you're either gonna get the big win bonus, the spin bonus, or the hold and spin bonus. It means you're gonna get one of those 3. So it's always good when that happens. Adjust my camera just a little bit here. Let's see what we got going on here. So these are like, they're stacked gold ingots, these things. They look more like beehives or something, but they are wild. So a full page of those would be good. Oh man! Of course, all these games like to tease you, because that just keeps you playing. All those doors, and there was nothing. That's the reality of slot machines, though. They're designed to make money for the casino. This one, though, so far we're down half our money, and I don't even know if we've won anything. Come on, there we go. We got it. All right, so this one right here, 25 cents. This is the nickel denomination. That's $12.50. If we fill the whole screen, you get the grand, which is currently 14,000 and change. Don't do this bonus where you don't give me any. So we're down to our last spin here, and it hasn't given us nothing. There we go. All right, so that puts us back to 3 spins. Let's scoot us back here just a little bit. You can see that. All right, let's see what we get here. There we go. That's $10, so that's good. Got some decent balls on there. A lot of the times when you get these bonuses, they're like these 50 and 75. Anytime you got the 3-digit numbers, those are always good. It means you're going to have a little bit better bonus normally, not always. Anything can happen on these games at any press of the button. Jackpot can happen to me, it can happen to the person next door, you just never know. So we're down to our last spin again. Come on, give us something right here, right here. Nope, all right, it's done. I'll lean back here a little bit because it's going to add them up. You can never complain about having a bonus, even if it's a really crappy one, because they do happen. But this is a pretty decent bonus here. So that's $50. So that's $55. So we're a big win. There's the coins that Christine has to catch to put in her pocket. So you can set and let this ring up for an hour, but I like to just push the button so it ends. Okay, so we're up to $77.50. We haven't doubled yet, so we're going to keep playing. I think we'll stick with this $2 bet on the nickel denomination. We'll stick with that. Let's see if we can get anything good here. Come on. Thought maybe we'd get it there. So we've got some doors. I'm not sure which one of these guys is the top paying one. I've said it before. Oh, come on, one more inside the door. Got it. The line hits on this game. Even when you in the free bonus, sometimes you get a full page of them. They do pay decent, but they're not the greatest. So I need to get $40 in my bonus here. Looks like we're maybe about halfway there. Okay, see if we can get a few more of those coins. There's one. That's a good one. $3.75. Oh, there's $5. We're getting close. We're getting close. Come on, drop us a mini. Mini's $50. Come on. Oh, there we go. There's another $5. Come on. We gotta be getting close. 2 more spins. Come on, give us another one. All right, last spin. Give us one right here. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. All right, let's rack them up here and see what we get. So we want that to be 80 for us to get a double. Looks like we're going to be short. A little bit short, so it looks like we're going to get to keep playing. Looks like we were off by about $5 or so. Get situated here again. 95.25. We needed 100 to double. We're going to keep on playing. We said we were going to double or nothing. Come on, give me those coins again. This bet's been good so far, so we'll just stick with it. Hopefully it'll decide to give us another bonus. It's been generous so far.
Or a big win.
A big win would be nice.
Get a shaky.
Yeah, we need the shaking screen. Come on. Oh, come on now. Don't just tease us. There's a couple of wilds. All right, where are we at here? $80 left. Come on. I know you want to double. There we go. We got the shake. So let's see what we're going to get. I prefer the coins bonus. There we got it. Oh, we got some real good numbers right over in here. So looking like looks like we've already doubled, so that's good. That's what we wanted. Don't just give me the no coin bonus because you gave me some good ones. Come on, Christine's gonna give me some luck. And oh, you did it, Christine. Good job. Good job. Got to keep it going. There we go. 2 little ones, but we'll take them. There went the miner flashing by. It's $125, so that would be awesome if that would hit. Last spin. Christine, give us some luck. Here we go. One more. All right, good job. Christine's had some good luck here, so maybe she can give us the grand. Come on. Now you don't have to go to the last spin every time. Oh, no. She just put her finger on there that time. It didn't work. All right, let's go back here and see what we got. That's $60. So she's singing us. We got the big win. She's singing to us. Christine's going to get her coins, stick them in her pocket, and we'll see where we got. We got up to 137, so that's our double. So we're going to go ahead and cash on out.